Today, I'm going to show you how to download subtitles from Capcut and upload it on YouTube. We're going to start by opening our Capcut and create a new project. Then, I'm going to drag our video to the media file, and I'm going to drag the file to the timeline. So, once it's uploaded, you can see the video in your timeline clearly. We can navigate on top and press the caption button and then hit generate. What it will do is it will generate your captions automatically. TT's going to take around 10 to 15 seconds. Depends upon the length of your audio and the speed of your internet. Now what we're going to hear is if you play our video, you can see that it generated subtitles. And then we're going to hit export. And we're going to uncheck this box here, because if you check this box, it's going to include the video, which is not good because captions are included in the video. After, we're just going to check this option button for caption, and we're going to choose the SRT file. And hit export. So we're going to check our folder here, and you can see we already have our SRT file. We are going to go to YouTube. And we're going to create a video, upload a video, search for our video, and drag it on YouTube. Add your title and description like so. Add your thumbnail. Just select No if you're not doing any kids video. Click No here if you're not doing any AI-related stuff. Here, it's very important you click the option button to add subtitle, because if you do not, your option to add subtitle later will not appear. Hit Next, and in this page you can see that there is an Add button option on the subtitle section. Just hit the Add button and import your SRT file into YouTube. Here, if you check, the captions are already generated from the SRT file that we downloaded from Capcut. Hit Done like so, and you can see here that your subtitle is ready on YouTube. It may take a day or two to view it, just be patient. Click Next, and you are now ready to publish your video on YouTube. Congratulations! If you like this video and find it useful, I do hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I promise I will upload useful contents for everyone. Until next time, bye!